Peoples, thanks for checking out my video. Yesterday I spoke at the Reacticon, and over there I introduced what I call the TALL Magento. It's basically a headless frontend for Magento based on the TALL stack, and the TALL stands for Tailwind, Alpine.js, Livewire, and Laravel. I'm gonna do a quick demo so you get a grasp about what it is, what it looks like, both on the front end and how the code looks like it. So let's go. Here we have the homepage. It's pretty basic. Most components you see here are I got them from the Tailwind UI kit. It's basically a set of Tailwind components already designed, so you sort of can copy paste them and adjust them to your needs. Going on, we have the category pages, so the images are not 100% correct. It's maybe something I have to work on, but it's for a starter it's quite good already. We obviously have the add card buttons, which work with both simples and configurables. If it's a configurable, you get redirected to the product page. We'll get to that later. On the side we have all filters, the late navigation, where you can click to whatever you want. As you can see, it's I didn't do any optimization at all. So this comes from a non-cached environment. The Magento has all caches on, but in Laravel everything has to get warmed up. I didn't touch this environment for some time, so it's still pretty fast without any optimizations. So let's go on to the product page. Now this is a configurable, so we have to select some options and we add them to our card, and there it pops up. So now let's see what happens with a simple product. It's basically the same, but you can skip the product page at all if you want to. I also built a checkout. It's very basic. I'm trying to put up the order totals next week. I already started on that, but yeah, not enough time to finish it. So let's try it out. We got shipping methods, payment methods, and then we can place an order. I didn't make a checkout success page yet, so that we have a empty page is something we could expect. Now, what I also added to this whole thing is for debugging purposes, the debug bar, so you can see exactly which queries are executed. And when you load it again, you see it's gone. So we know the caching is working. So let's take a look in the backend. So the main entry point of just about anything is the GraphQL class. Here goes all data that's provided by Magento goes through this function, and we get an array from Magento, and we map that basically to all kinds of DTOs. DTO is basically an object where you can put data in, you can get data out, but you can't mutate the data, and it is also validated when it goes in, so you know exactly what to expect when working with this data. And this is pretty handy when you're working with this data. So for example, let's take the card. And here you can see we can just do a product get name. And the good thing about this is that PHP Storm will autocomplete all possible functions. So from here we can just go to images and just take whatever we need from it all out completed. So that was a quick introduction. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, just pop me a question on Twitter or email or whatever. Okay, bye.